Hello everyone, it's 24th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have US sanctions Russian oil majors, Indian refiners poised to cut buy. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Yamuna's water flow boosted ahead of Chhat Puja festival. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have officers among 10 injured as Tripura Bandh turns violent. Prohibitory orders imposed. Again, very important news for internal security perspective. Then we have blast on track disrupts rail services in Assam. Again, very important news for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have detente after the dust has settled, very important for internal security as well as international relations perspective. Then we have the head turner, very important for art and culture perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says the UN matters as a symbol of possibility. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have synthetic media, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have good job. Factories must provide facilities for women employed in hazardous jobs. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have should India take global leadership on climate change? Very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole half page dedicated to this one news. How do monsoons affect Tamil Nadu? Very important for environment perspective. Then we have is Punjab's stubble burning problem really declining? Very important for environment perspective again. Then we have why cloud seeding is not a solution to Delhi's air pollution crisis. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Modi to participate in Asian meet virtually drops Malaysia travel ban. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have try services to get system platforms for 79,000 crore. Again, very important. Then we have India-Bhutan review border management and security. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have DCGI brings in stricter norms for tracking supply chain of high-risk solvents. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have UPI leads in payments volume, RTGS value, debit card deals up, deals dip. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have India's Russian crude imports in October remain robust, says Kepler. Again, very important news. Then we have ethanol tender order may hit 350 makers. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have the world page. 2 persons killed in Israeli strikes in East Lebanon, says Health Ministry. Then we have malnutrition to have generational impact on newborns in Gaza, says UN. Then we have Trump to pull US support if Israel annexes West Bank. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.